Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning into Charlani TV. I'm so excited you're here with me today. We are going to Trader Joe's and then we're gonna go to Whole Foods and we're gonna get some cut flowers. It has been a hot minute since I have put some bouquets and sprays together in vases, so I think that's what we are going to do today. One of my favorite places to get cut flowers and bouquets that are made, like these are so beautiful, but one of my favorite places is Trader Joe's because they are inexpensive and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of everything and then we're gonna bring them home and put it all together. And I figured that since I drove all the way here, I might as well grab some of my favorite Trader Joe items, and then we headed over to Whole Foods. They also have beautiful plants and flowers here as well, so I figured I'd grab some things here and then head home. I definitely love grabbing bouquets like this because they're already done for you. All you have to do is stick it in a vase. I think that one ends up in a mason jar because I love mason jars too. But look at all these cut flowers. Someday I'll have a garden filled with all of these things so I don't have to buy them. But for now, this will do. We've got all the flowers here in the house. I actually just put it in this big bin. I've got some water down below. I don't have time right this very minute to put this together, so we'll get to this soon. They put my lavender in this big bag because, oh my gosh, it literally makes the biggest mess, but it smells amazing. It smells so good. So I'm going to get to this here in just a bit, but I'll show you some of the other things that I got here at Trader Joe's. I got the caprese ravioli, yum. Rob made spaghetti sauce, so we'll put that on here. We'll have some ciabatta rolls with that. I got some grapes. How cute are these guys? So little, love it. And then this is just our chip bag. Pita chips and our favorite tortilla chips. And then this salsa I got, because we totally don't have salsa and I don't know that I'm gonna get to the grocery store today. Some of these were from Whole Foods and some of these were from Trader Joe's, but oh, how beautiful, right? And it just smells so good. I've walked around the house and I found all of my glass and plastic, like this is plastic, but I found the vases that I want to use and I'm actually looking at what I have here and you'll see there's quite a bit just sitting up in this container right here. But we're just going to place things and we'll see what we've got and we'll just play around with it. I may have to go and maybe I'll do a little bit of a shopping trip if I need a couple more containers, but this is what we'll start with. I'm just gonna start pulling these things out. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Here is what we're working with. So I've got some eucalyptus. I thought I had 2 of these, but oh, I do. There's another one under here. So I've got 2 bunches of the eucalyptus. I just love these leaves, are just so pretty. I just love them. And then here we've got some lepidium. So pretty. We've got some lilies here, some carnations. We've got some hydrangeas, some white hydrangea. Love. But this, and here's the other eucalyptus here. This is my favorite. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous this is. There's a bird of paradise in there. This is just a tropical foliage, obviously, but this bouquet is beautiful. I've got some ranunculus here, and then here we've got just a pretty colorful bouquet of lots of different things. So let's just go ahead and start getting these put together. I feel like it's been forever since I've put these kinds of arrangements together, but I'm so excited to get started. And in there, I've got the lavender. That's the last thing I'm going to do. I actually think that I'm probably gonna need to get a couple vases for that, but I think I can fit most of these in. So I grabbed this mason jar because I know that I definitely want one of these bouquets by themselves in this one, because this is what goes in my office on my desk. And then I think I'm gonna be able to use what I have for the rest of it. So we will see, I'm excited. And then I've also got the food here. So what I'll do is before I add water to each vase, I'll mix up a little bit of this and make sure that each one gets a little bit. So, yep, let's go.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you want.
I actually took some sprigs from this to add into here because I felt like it was just missing something there. But oh, this is giving me all the feels. So now I'm just going to cut the stems off of these beauties right here. And then I'm just going to put them by themselves here in this glass, and then we'll be done.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other.
In that cleanup, I actually found an extra from and a little one of these little spriggly little thingies. So I'm gonna stick this, maybe let this sit up a little high. I think that'll still get water there too. These are just so fun. And let it kind of flow out. Oh, I love the hydrangea. Super simple, probably the easiest thing ever, right? I still got to get the water into everything, which I'll do here shortly. But this is one of my favorites. The ranunculus I did add in here, and unfortunately, I only got about half of those flowers. By the time I had opened up the package, I don't know, they didn't look good and they just kind of fell apart. But I was able to salvage some of them. So we added some here to this little bouquet. And that's like mainly a $3.99 bouquet at Trader Joe's. Such a good deal. And I get this every time I go to Trader Joe's. I always get myself one of these just because it's just so pretty. I love these, are like my favorite colors right there. And then I added the ranunculus over here to this bouquet as well to add a little bit of white in there. I love how that came out. This is the tropical bouquet. So pretty. Bird of Paradise is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, love, love, love. And then I really like how this green all the greens. I pull this out a little bit, but look how pretty that turned out. And so I ended up just putting the eucalyptus in the middle, and then I've got these guys right up front, and just a few sprigs up front and then most of it in the back. And I just love the way that came out. It's just, it feels very grand. Get a little bit of a better idea. Love that. So this is what we've got so far. I have these two left. So what I'm gonna do is, and it's perfect, I'm gonna put the lavender in here, and then I'm actually gonna put a couple sprigs of the lavender in here as well, and just stick this in the bathroom so it smells really good. So yeah, we're doing really good. Here's the deal. I have purchased lavender before and it never falls apart like this. Not this bad, like some, but not like this. So I don't know if this is just like a bad batch, or is it a different species maybe? I don't know. But I honestly do not remember it ever, like, I mean, these things are just falling off like big time. So I don't know, if you know what the deal is, if this is normal for this species, let me know. But usually they're like bright purple, like if you can see kind of some of the tips are purple. I'm just wondering if maybe for whatever reason, this is just not a great batch. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know. It's still really pretty though, and it still is very fragrant, but I don't know, not as much as it usually is for me. So I'm thinking that this one is gonna go outside because I do not want this in my house. And here we go. This is the final project. I love how these came out and I cannot wait to place them around the house. So pretty, right? Love, love, love. And this one, I think out of all of them, one of my favorites. I love this. I just love the spray. Love it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. Thanks for tuning in to Charlani TV. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. And if you know what's up with these lavenders, if that's normal or we're having an issue, please let me know. Kai also says hi. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you're having a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.